And if you need a last minute card, here are the paintings I did from my last lesson that I'm going to show you real quick how to turn this into a greeting card. And in fact, below you'll find a PDF where you can use an image that I'm providing there for your own greeting card, for your use only, not to resell them. You don't have to use my artwork. Take one from your own image gallery, crop it to 5 by 7, and leave room as you're printing for the back side of the card. So move it to one side. Okay, first I'm going to score it. You can use a straight edge and the dull side of a dinner knife to do the same thing that I'm doing here. Now I do that first in case something like this happens where it's not perfect. You know, with that being a little off, doesn't matter. I'm going to cut the excess off. So that's why you always do the scoring first. You don't have to have this device. You can use scissors or a straight edge, an X-Acto knife, or a straight single edge razor blade. Ta-da! Here you go. Fill it in for your Valentine. This could also work, actually. It could work for Mother's Day, it could work for birthdays, that sort of thing. Okay, thanks for joining me. Like, subscribe, join the art tribe at my website, artzXpress.com, for freebies, giveaways, things like that. If you're interested in learning how to do these original paintings, I have that lesson just posted prior to this one. Thanks, bye.